Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about least common multiples. Okay, multiples that are shared by two or more numbers are called common multiples. The smallest of these numbers is called the least common multiple, or the LCM. You can find the least common multiple of two or more numbers by listing multiples or using prime factors. So, here we go. We're going to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. So the multiples of 4 would be 4. What you do is you just write them out for a while. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now I'm not going to go any further than that for right now, unless I need to. So I'll look at 6. So 6, 12. Oh, there it is. It's the first number that's in both rows. Both rows right there. So 12. So the least common multiple is 12. Okay? So there you go. And I spelled multiples wrong, so we'll put our L right in there. Okay. So now, find the least common multiples of these numbers by listing their multiples. So I tell you what, why don't you pause the video, do these two problems, find the least common multiple of 3 and 8, find the least common multiple of 9 and 12, and then jump back on here and see how you did. Okay, so the multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, now I could keep going, but I'm just gonna write those out, and I'm gonna do 8 and see how 8 does here. Maybe I'll get lucky and be one of these. So 8, 16. Ooh, nope. What's the next one? 24. All right, so let's go with this one. 18, 21, 24. There it is. 24 would be the least common multiple of 3 and 8. Okay. Now let's look at 9 and 12. So 9 is going to be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5. Okay, so now let's look at 12. Alright, so it's 12, 24, 36. Ah, we got it. Okay. 36 right there. Whoops, that was supposed to be a nice Texas orange color. Okay, so our least common multiple is going to be 36. All right, moving right along. Find the least common multiple of 4, 15, and 18. So this time we have 3 numbers we got to worry about. Now, it might be best to start with the largest number. Okay, so let's try 18 and go out for a while. So 18, 36, 54, 72. All right, let's do 15 now. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Wow, okay, so we don't have anything yet. So we got to keep going. Let's see. The next one would be 90. Oh, look at this. If I add 18 to 72, I get 90. So 90 is a good candidate so far. All right, let's try 4. So I don't really want to write them way out to 90, but I do know this, that 4 times 22 is 88. Oh, 92. Okay, so 90 is not going to be it. That's a bummer. Okay, so let's keep going. The next one down here would be 108. Oh, in fact, you know what? Here's the thing. Well, I can keep writing these. 126. Let's see. I'm going to kind of skip some of these because I know it's not going to be in between there. I'm going to go up to, maybe I better do them. Okay, 126. After that, 18 more would be 144. 18 more would be 162. 18 more would be 180. Okay, now I know that 90, if I go by 15s, I'm going to get 90, which means another 90, I'm going to get 180 again. So I'm not going to write all those out. But 180 is going to be there. Okay, now the question is, if I keep going with 4s, will I get to 180? I don't want to write those all out, so here's what I'm going to do. 180 is my candidate. I'm going to take 180. I'm going to divide that by 4. Well, let's see, that'll go in there 4 times. That's 16. That leaves 2. Drop my 0. Sure enough, it's going to go in there 45 times. Okay, so this is going to be 180. Wow, that was a big one. So 180, 180, 180. So the least common multiple is 180. Wow, that one's ugly. Okay, find the least common multiple of 2, 5, and 8. You do that on your own. Jump off it, pause the video, jump off of here, and then do it, and then come back on. Okay, so let's go 2, 5, and 8. All right, I'm going to start with the biggest number. So 8, 16, 24, and 8 would be 32, and then 40. All right, that's good enough. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 looks good. In fact, I know that 40 is going to work because that's the least common multiple for these two. And 2 will also go into 40. It'll go into any even number, so it's going to go 36, 38, 40. So 40 is going to be my answer. So the least common multiple is going to be 40. A traffic light changes every 30 seconds. Another traffic light changes every 40 seconds. Both lights just change. After how many minutes will both lights change at the same time? Okay, so it's going to be the least common multiple. So this one's going to go 30. It's going to go 30, 60, 90, 120, 160, and so on. This other one, 40, every 40 seconds is going to go 40, 80, 120. Ah, there we go. That's the answer. Let's make this stand out here. Okay, so every 120 minutes, or 120 seconds, every 120 seconds they're going to come on at the same time. That's actually every 2 minutes. Either one of those would be a correct answer. Okay, short lesson today. You get to do 1 through 33 odd, and I will see you next time.